This is the jlhkrafts True Speed system. You will notice that this is gray and really wide. This is a custom order. Yours probably does not look like this. Yours may also have slide grips for your track to slide onto. If it doesn't, I suggest using double stick tape or just making sure your track is really flat. A lot of time it tends to curl or slant. But once you have everything set up, just make sure that your lasers are going through and not hitting the track too much. They can hit it a little, like so, not a problem, as long as the light is still getting through to the laser receiver. As you can see, once we get past the point, at that point it screws up everything. So push it back down here, reset that, okay, and make sure that's at both ends. This is your entrance, that is your exit. If you would like to have the display on the back side, you can take out the 4 screws that will be in there, turn it around, screw it back down, and then your display will be on that side. So that's no problem. Make sure that you don't pull the wires completely out when you do that, because that does happen from time to time if you're messing with the timer. Let's go ahead and run a couple cars here. First, we're going to do a Corvette. We got 158.96, 158 miles an hour, and my track, as you can see, it's just right here. I'm just letting them go from wherever to run through. I'm catching my hat there. Doing this just for demonstration purposes for you guys. And my phone stand broke, because that's great. Alright. Try this again. Okay. Now we're going to do the Stalker. Here we go. 165 miles an hour. I'll reset that. And this is I believe this is a Toyota. Here we go. It's like a 70s, or wait. Yeah, I think it's like a 70s Toyota. 165.87. That's pretty good. It's a good runner. And then we have the Firebird. $160.63. Let's just run one more for just because. Here we go. This is the Honda City Turbo. 162.34. Let's run another one. These are my favorite castings. 164.09. Oh, reset that one. Ooh, slow compared. 157. I think this is Celica. 165, not bad, not bad. And this little hot rod. 167.69. And last but not least, is a Mazda. Oh, the fastest of the day, 171.46. All right, we'll have fun racing.